So after completing everything, one of the most important part for nursing school is the compliance, which is most important part after you complete all of your prerequisite and you are ready to start your class and ready to pay your tuition fees. So today I'm going to talk about that part. Stay until the end so that you don't miss anything, so you know everything that you need, and please subscribe my channel for more important information about nursing schools. If you can see my screen, you will be seeing that I'm logging into Compilo. This is the one that GMRC use for the compliance requirement for the students. As you can see in my screen, these are all so far I uploaded and everything has been accepted except the hepatitis B, which is still required, which I will be talking about later around under the videos. As you can see in this screen, these are the all required different document, different vaccines report or the test results which you would need to upload into this Compilo profile, which you will be creating based on the steps or the link that your university will be sharing with you once you are accepted and you are done with all of your prereqs. Now what you are seeing here, these few things, these are going to expire. Now if you are doing the nursing, for example, I am doing the weekend program, which is around 3 years or 30 months, 33 months, which is why you are seeing all this, which I will have to renew next year. But you are lucky if you are doing only the accelerated BSN program, which is about 16 months in GMRC. In that case, you don't have to renew any of this. Now let's move into the actual profile here. So first thing you are seeing the CPR, the basic life support one, which I did from the American Heart Association, which is required for most of the colleges and universities around Philadelphia area and in this neighbor. I think it's required for most of the university in Pennsylvania. The next thing is the medical history or the physical examination, which is required from your physician. It has to be signed by your physician and her stamp seal that she has from the hospital. So this is very crucial. What I did for this, I sent out this before my yearly physician check and texted her that this is required. So once I visited her, she already took care of it and gave it to me, which was great. Then next comes the MMR. Now for the vaccine, MMR is one of them. For vaccine, either you test it first or you take the vaccine report if you have it. Now let's say you are testing MMR and some other vaccine which are required, right? So you go to do your blood drawn and test for MMR and your results come positives for all of these, right? Then you upload your results and you will be good to go. One important part for MMR is MMR divided into 3 different things. As you can see, 3 different categories. You have to upload 3 different times if your results come into one PDFs or one documents, which is what you are seeing here. I uploaded 3 different times. Now the next part is the varicella. Again, the same thing. If you are positive, then you don't do the shot. If you are negative, then you take the shot for varicella. Hepatitis B, unfortunately for hepatitis B, I did not have the immunity, so I had to take the shot. Now for hepatitis B, there are 2 different categories. If you take hepatitis B, then you take 2 shots, and if you take hepatitis B, then you take 3 shots. So I'm taking hepatitis B, so I already took one of the shots. If you see here, right, it says METS requirement. What it means is like you took the first shot, then you wait 4 weeks, then you take the second shots, you upload here, then you wait 1 to 2 months and take your blood test and see whether you are immunity to hepatitis B or not. If you are immunity, then you are good. Otherwise, university will advise you what to do next. But no matter what, you'll have to be immunity with all of this. This is Tdap. I think Tdap I took around 22. It was good. I didn't have to take again until 2032, which is good. This is TB. already have the immunity for that. I did not have to take drug screening. For the drug screening, they will give you a specific link when you buy the package. On that link, you can take a schedule and do your drug screening. Drug screening is nothing but they will only take your pee, and then they will automatically submit your results in about a week. In this profile. Background check is various different part it has. The next thing is the background check. Background check is very easy. One of the main thing in the background check is your fingerprint, and the other thing is the child abuse from PA. Now, so for the fingerprint, you can do only with the provided link that they will send you from ADB. Which is this one, right? And they will send you a link. You will schedule your fingerprint and go to their location and take the fingerprint. For the child abuse PA, you can just create your Keystone account and then share and upload your all the details. Then they will give you your child abuse report. For my case, I got the report within 5 minutes. One of my friend, for him it took around 2 weeks to get him the report. The next part is the COVID vaccine. So I uploaded 2 of my doses here, the vaccine, COVID vaccine card. That was enough. And then the health insurance. For the health insurance, you will upload your health insurance here and it will be accepted. The next thing is the consent form. So for the consent form, there was a link. So I just click that link and then it redirects to a page where I have to just sign in some bunch of papers and checkbox. Then this is automatically done. If I come down here, you can see these are optional, but even though these are optional, there are 2 important parts for GMRC they mention us we have to do, which is one of those is the government ID. So I uploaded my driver license front and back part and one of photo like passport photo, so that they can use it for student ID or reference. Now these are very important for you to do it and to finish it. If you are not compliant, then you will not be able to go for your clinicals. Now for the weekend programs, since as you can see my hepatitis B still is not required, but I took the first vaccine, which is why I'm partially compliant. But if you are not fully compliant, you will not be allowed to go for your clinical hours to the hospital. The main reason is it is for your safety and for your patient's safety, because if you are not immune to all these different kind of vaccine or the diseases, then you never know what kind of patients you will be dealing with. So you can get those and you will have your family members affected by that, or if you have those diseases, you might transmit those diseases to your patients, which is why this is very important to do it. If you see this is out of the topic. This is a tomato from my garden, which I mentioned on my last video. This is one of the tasty tomato which I love. So this is brand wine tomato. This is really good. I mean, I love it. Every time I eat it, I fall in love with this. So this is really good. I don't want to extend my video more. I just wanted to show you that tomato at the end. But yeah, so please subscribe and follow my channel. I'll be sharing more details, other important things for the nursing schools. As of now, I am already registered to my classes and my orientation is on this week, I think on Thursday. So I'll be sharing other details once my orientation is done, and I'll be also talking about the classes that I am registered, how much they are covered by the financial aid or the loans, or how much I will be paying out of my pocket. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share this video. That will be helpful for me and it will be a motivation for me to create the next video. So I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Till then, you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.